You know, the corruption in this country and the stories, these people have mismanaged this country. So whether they part or they work together, we are talking even about children who were cheated, that they'll be given laptops and they've not been given. We are talking about a country who has lost more than 500 people. 500 Kenyans has died in the regime of Jubilee. Most of them are still being killed over land and wherever. We are talking about a country which is shedding so much, not the country, not the government, but a country that is shedding so much blood and nothing is being done about it. And we are telling us that we are in government. I mean, we need to be very serious about Kenya, not about individuals. But let me go back to the ICC matter, because when he finished it was ICC. The witnesses were bribed. It is obvious those witnesses were bribed. This one, if I was asked to be a witness, I would say the witnesses were bribed, because no one planned for election violence.
How much?
They were
Where?
the PNU people, the PNU part of the government at that time, for example, bribed so many witnesses from the ODM site, from I am a Kalenjin, by the way. And this matter is so serious. They were bribed to lie, and they were given money and promised so many things. Now, my only problem is, why must we therefore, if it is true, I don't know whether it is true, I'm not a lawyer, and like I said, let the lawyers do their bit. I will do mine as a Kenyan, as a Christian. Why must we try to coerce these witnesses or bribe them if we know we are innocent? How I keep wishing that we do not in this country continue covering lies upon lies.
Who is doing that?
Why don't we let this case, why don't we, if it is true, the ICC, Bensouda has said that the witnesses have been, that the reason she wants to use this evidence is because the witnesses, there is evidence, she says that she has evidence that the witnesses have been manipulated. Yes. Now, if the witnesses have been indeed manipulated, I don't know whether it is true. Or even there was a time that was said some of the witnesses were actually killed. I don't know again whether it is true. Why must we do these things as Kenyans for heaven's sake? Why don't we let truth fight for us?